Hello YouTube world, this is your girl Shell. I lost the beginning of the intro to this video, so for right now here's just some pictures of me. But I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my wig with the closure using a hot glue method. So I hope you all enjoy it. I'm gonna have better videos coming very soon for you guys. Just please bear with me, but enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay, just to let you guys know, I couldn't find my needle. I found my thread, but I couldn't find the needle. So my mom had some regular needle and thread in her room. So this is what I have to use until then. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry for the ashy hands. But yeah, I'm gonna be using this, and I think I'm gonna go over it twice. And remember, the needle and thread, when you're doing the hot, using a closure, some people do glue theirs on with the glue sticks and the glue gun, but I haven't done that yet, and I don't want to mess up the closure because I am going to be bleaching the knots in those, but I'm going to show you guys a different video and possibly a different hair, because I don't even have all of that stuff, like I said in the beginning. But I'm about to get started. You guys are about to watch me make this wig. Okay guys, I have the closure on the mannequin. Finally, use another device to record this part, but the closure is on. It's on and it's tacked on there as best as I could with regular needle and thread. Now I'm about to get to the part of the glue. Now this is going to be my way, so I'm just going to twirl this into a bun. Get this hair out of the way. If I can find that little scrunchy hair on it, that would be lovely. So, putting this on there. Pull that out the way. And of course, we're going to start off with the longest bundle. Now, how I usually do it is I re-put this on so I'll be able to see the back and what I'm doing. Now the first bundle, how I'm going to do it is I'm going to do the first one from here at the very bottom all the way up to here. And then I'm going to cut that track, okay? And then from there, I'm just going to be going this way all the way up. You shape the rest of the way. So I'm gonna come back to you guys once I get done once this whole first bundle is done, which is the 24 inches. So I'm gonna come back to you guys once I get done. Alright guys, so this is the first bundle. And I'm about to move on to the second bundle. This is gonna be really cute. That's the first bundle. If you ever was to get any of the glue on the hair, it comes right off. Like as soon as it dries or whatever, it comes like right off. So don't worry about any of that. But yeah, and it's super flat because I folded the wefts, and you can barely see any of the foldedness. If that's even a freaking word. I have like old women wrinkled fingers. My fingers look so wrinkled. And they're probably showing up as shit. But yeah, this is it. This is the first bundle, and I'm moving on to the second one. Alright guys, this was the second bundle. And this is how it's looking so far. So like whenever you put this on, while I put the other check so closely, you'll be able to pull it up a little bit, maybe to like not a little ponytail, you know, not a little ponytail, so you know the bottom of the cap won't show, and when you pull it back or the wind blows, you won't be able to see the cap. No cap, you can't see it. You can't see it. I'm about to finish this up with the last bundle, which is the 20-inch. Yep, 20-inch is the last bundle, and yeah, I'll be back to show you the finished look. Alrighty, I'm done. This is the final. Everything is on, everything is in place, everything is together. This is the final. Everything is done. This is really cute.